Why do 80% of successful entrepreneurs use affiliate marketing to boost their income? Let's find out. Step 1. Choose a niche you're passionate about. This keeps you motivated and helps you connect with your audience. Step 2. Find affiliate programs. Look for programs offering products or services that fit your niche. Popular platforms like Amazon Associates are a great start. Step 3. Build your platform. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, or social media page. Consistent quality content is key. Step 4. Create engaging content. Review products, write tutorials, or share personal experiences. Remember, authenticity wins trust. Step 5. Drive traffic to your platform. Use SEO, social media, and email marketing to attract visitors. More traffic means more potential sales. There you have it. 5 simple steps to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. Ready to take the plunge? Start today and watch your passive income grow.